told you 2 lines. And to prove that we're live, on Saturday Night Live, last night, Drake was terrible. Now to take your calls, let's go to Hannah. Hannah, you're talking to Homer.
Hi there, Homer. My question for you is, who do you like more, Lenny or Carl, and why?
Let's see. I like Lenny because he's the black guy. And wait a minute, no. Carl's the... Wait, let me get back to you when I figure out who's who. Let's go to the next question. Amanda?
Can you give me any tips or tricks for making it look like I'm hard at work, but really I'm relaxing or taking a nap?
Always wear glasses with eyes glued onto them. Next question. George, I think. Hello, George.
Hello,
Shoot.
Homer.
What's your question?
So my question is pizza related. Do you prefer
Pizza?
Chicago deep dish or New York style?
Let's see. I prefer Chicago deep dish because I like Italian better than Chinese. And now let's go to a planted call with a planted question. Let's go to... Hello? Joe.
Homer, how are you doing?
I'm doing all right. Is that your question?
I was wondering, what kind of car do you drive?